Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide How. If your Wi-Fi networks are not showing up on your Android phone, don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through simple steps to fix it. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First step is to turn Wi-Fi off and on. Swipe down from the top of your screen. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Sometimes a quick refresh solves the issues. Second, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This resets your phone's network connections. Third step is to restart your phone. Press and hold on to your power button and simply restart your phone. Many small glitches get fixed this way. Fourth step is to forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. If nothing works, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called General Management and tap on it. Scroll down and go to reset. Again scroll down and reset your mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings from here. This clears all network settings and usually fixes stubborn Wi-Fi issues. Finally, if no network shows up at all, check your Wi-Fi router. Restart it or try connecting another device to make sure the problem is not with the router itself. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Android. Refresh Wi-Fi, toggle airplane mode, restart your phone, forget and reconnect, reset network settings, and check your router. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.